24 divided by 2 divided by 8, then divided by 3. Can you solve this question? Because we have 3 division, we start from the left and simplify the question. 24 divided by 2 equal 12. 12 divided by 8, then divided by 3. 12 divided by 8 equal 12 over 8, then divided by 3. Now we have a fraction that divided by a number. To solve this part, we need to follow the KCF rule. Keep the first fraction, change the sign, and flip the second number. We keep the first fraction as it is, then change the sign, then flip the second number. As you can see in the image, we keep the first fraction, then change the sign, then flip the second number. Now we do the multiplication. 12 times 1 equal 12, and 8 times 3 equal 24. Now divided both by 12. 12 divided by 12 equal 1, and 24 divided by 12 equal 2. To see more math videos, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.